Hi YouTube, today's my first Nerf video. I have a lot of Nerf guns and I'm going to make a lot of more reviews, but today I'm reviewing one of my favorites and it is the roughcut. It is like $35 plus tax, 37, 36, I don't know, but it's pretty good. It shoots pretty far actually for a shotgun. Like usually shotguns don't shoot far, but this one does. It's pretty good. So I have a chair right here. Well, that target is for something else that I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna hit it and you'll see kind of how it works. That's 2 bullets. Now this is one at a time. Well, that was 2 at a time. And now 2 at a time. And then this is the last one. And me and these normal Velcro darts, yeah. But me and my dad made homemade Velcro darts. We just took this normal bullet and we put Velcro on top of it, and I'll show you that sticks. Okay, so here's the Velcro thing. So watch this one, normal. It sticks, right? Doesn't fall really. But watch the homemade one. Right? It's on. It's not falling, it's still on. If you can see, yeah, still on. So that's me and my dad's homemade bullets. I made 10 more. So thank you guys, subscribe for more, and I'll be making more reviews of awesome Nerf guns. Thanks.